Robotics is the latest word in the development of technology. Robots help to facilitate the production process. Many robots can even replace humans. Our grandfathers were the pioneers of technical development, and everything started with the steam engine and so on until today. We fly into space and everything is controlled by a tiny chip that can be embedded in the human mind. Progress cannot be stopped. Homemade gears are the highest level of ingenuity. This homemade kite surprises the audience with its originality. Over the past 100 years, most businesses have been automated. Program-controlled lathes are a new approach to manufacturing.
Some people out there think that if you're a small female, you have no way of defending yourself against someone bigger and stronger than you. But in reality, all you have to do is know the right moves to use in the right moment.
Homemade inventions are the highest level of ingenuity. These are self-made round houses. You can live in them only in summer. In our modern world, there should be a place for rest and entertainment. People have fun as they can. It helps relieve stress. It's good when people play sports. It helps to maintain health and excellent physical shape. When you look at this girl, you also want to join her. Many of you have seen the wonders of the world. This ride is breathtaking. Isn't this a wonder of the world? Construction work is highly valued in the modern world. Builders are high-level craftsmen who work in any weather. Bricklaying, wall plastering, without this, not a single house will be built. Today, women also work in manufacturing or construction, just like men. They perform their work at the highest level. Over the past 100 years, most businesses have been automated. Program-controlled lathes are a new approach to manufacturing. The food industry is becoming increasingly automated. This is an automated process for making ice cream. A variety of mechanisms and techniques are used in construction. This homemade tool allows you to cut the wire twisted into several layers. Any production today is an effective cooperation between man and technology. Production machines perform more and more tasks every day. Very often a person only controls the production process. This is the production process of aluminum smelting.